Welcome to the Australian National Botanic Gardens in Canberra. Today we're going to show you the plants on the Flower, Fruit and Foliage Walk of the 21st of April 2021.
Eucalyptus caesia, silver princess, has dark green heart-shaped leaves and red stems and new growth. This ornamental tree has a weeping habit and is developing white branches and mini ridgy bark with peeling curls.
Guichenotia ledifolia is a small shrub with gray-green foliage covered in drooping, dusty pink, five-petaled flowers with maroon centers. This plant is native to southwestern Western Australia.
Banksia spinulosa birthday candles is a dense bright green bush with attractive needle foliage and short yellow cones with rusty red styles. Birthday candles is a dwarf cultivar of Banksia spinulosa variety spinulosa developed by Bill Molyneux of Austroflora Nurseries in Montrose, Victoria.
Grevillea peaches and cream has deeply divided green leaves and large flower heads of pink and cream. This hybrid was developed in the Queensland garden of Jan Glazebrook and Dennis Cox and patented in 2006.
Casuarina littoralis has fluffy red blooms on a sparse tree with many cones remaining on the branches. Casuarina littoralis is one of the most widespread species in eastern Australia, with a range that extends along the coast south from the tip of Cape York Peninsula in Queensland to southern parts of Tasmania.
Melaleuca nisophila is an upright shrub with purplish pink flowers with gold tips fading to white, giving it a two-tone appearance. This plant is native to the area near Albany, Western Australia.
Drudia aspera, or prickly rasped fern, is a small fern with pink new growth. This plant is found along the coast in the eastern mainland states, and the genus is named for Samuel Doody, curator of the Chelsea Physic Garden in England.
Blechnum nudum, or fishbone water fern, with light green pinnate fronds and upright green new growth with dark stems. This fern can develop a small black fibrous trunk and is native to eastern Australia.
Chrysanthera magnifica, or magnificent mint bush, has pink to mauve flowers and showy purple to red calyces and green shiny leaves with wavy margins. This plant is found on the central western coast of Western Australia.
Leucophyta brownii has cushions of silver foliage which will develop yellow button flowers. This plant is native to the southern coast of mainland Australia and the northern coast of Tasmania.
Banksia stumpy gold has fine-toothed linear foliage and masses of short gold brushes with rusty red styles. This plant is a dwarf cultivar of Banksia spinulosa variety Collina that was selected by Richard Anderson of Merrick's Nursery in Victoria from material collected on the New South Wales Central Coast.
Coreoboura linei has long green bells and shiny aromatic foliage. The calyx has an expanded base which looks like a chef's hat, resulting in the shrub's common name, chef's cap corea. This plant is endemic to southern coastal New South Wales.
Banksia pencillata, or Nunes Plateau Banksia, is a small tree covered in short green cones with grey ends to the flowers and a velvety brown nose protruding from the top of the flower. This plant is native to a restricted area of the Blue Mountains, New South Wales.
Grevillea robin Gordon has deeply divided green foliage and red-pink flowers. This popular plant has been planted widely in Australia and other countries and is a chance hybrid from the garden of the late David Gordon of Myall Park, Glenmorgan, Queensland, and is named for his daughter.
Gymnostoma australianum, or Daintree pine, is a small conical pine tree with bright green ferny foliage, tiny red flowers, and prickly brown fruit. This plant is native to the tropical rainforest of northern Queensland and dates back 300 million years to the Gondwanan period.